Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Savvy Jamaican Cuisine. So yes, nothing major today, just doing a simple one-pot meal. So yeah, we will be doing just some curried shrimp with some veggies and some corn. Quick thing, nothing major. It's a midweek and we don't want to have much to do in the kitchen. So pretty much one of those quick meals like we'll be finished in like 10 minutes. So yeah, pretty much getting into that. So as you can see, we have our shrimp here, we have our veggies. I'll be using bell peppers, carrots, of course, onions, spring onions, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, of course, garlic, good old sweet corn on the cob. Of course, these are my condiments I'll be using. So let's get into it.
Sweet Jamaica is now on the move. Help me with my song and let the people then come sing along. Take up your cutlass, your shovel and your hoe. Take up your books, tell people let us go.
Alright, so guys, as I mentioned, nothing major today, just doing a quick one in the kitchen. So, getting the season aspect of the shrimp out of the way. So, I'll be using some vegetable bouillon. Not much, because I have other condiments I'll be using. So, one of this, right in there. Alright. Then in with some black pepper. Not too much, minimal amount. Some dried thyme. Little bit of parsley. Okay. Some all-purpose seasoning. Decent amount. Some cayenne pepper. Should be enough. This is a mix of garlic and onion powder. A little bit of salt, not too much because we already have enough seasoning inside here, so a little bit of salt. And then the fire to this is this, guys, pretty much a blend of chili pepper. So using a lot of this because I like mine very spicy, so quite a lot. And of course a little bit of cumin powder. All right, that should be good enough. So just gonna get this all mixed together. Ensure that the seasoning spread out evenly on these bad boys. And then we'll be back to start the cooking process. So I'll see you back in a bit, yeah? Alright, so now the shrimp season, now we'll just get straight into cooking. So here I have some garlic. Nice chopped garlic. Just add that. Going to add a bit of the cumin powder. And a bit of bell pepper curry here. That's like about a teaspoon. So we're just gonna burn this, infuse all that flavor from the curry. Because you know if the curry don't burn properly, then you know that already. So you have to ensure you burn the curry. Of course, it's on low flame, low heat, good enough. Leave that for like about 2 minutes so the curry can burn well. In the meantime, I'm just going to go ahead and add some green spring onion as well as some onions. Come up again with scotch bonnet pepper, that's an entire one, and some thyme. Of course, if you don't have the thyme in this form and you have the dried thyme, of course you can always go ahead and do that. It's not so much of a rule where the time is time first, and time is time, pretty much is the same flavor. But I'm using this because it's what I have currently. So we're just gonna allow this to come together for like about, a minute. All these different flavors, come together, and yeah. So at this point, them are harmonized pretty much. So, and the color is amazing. That's why I tend to use bell pepper, because you get that rich color when you're doing stuff like this. So up the flame a bit. And then what I'm gonna do next is to come in with the shrimp. Shrimp doesn't take a long time to cook. So like pretty much maximum time 10 minutes and they should be ready. As I mentioned, this one is really what a quick minute. So I just wanna incorporate the shrimp into the different herbs and spices. So the onion, the scotch bonnet, the thyme, the garlic. Yeah, I'm gonna incorporate all of that. Alright, so the heat is okay. Of course, we're going to rinse the container. You can't allow any of this good flavor to get wasted. So this is like about a cup of water. This is all you need basically. And that should be enough. So just going to cover this at the moment and leave it, you know, for everything to come together. And then finally we're going to just add the veggies and the corn and we should be finished. So see you in a bit. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, this is what our shrimp is looking like. I mean, all the flavors coming together. So pretty much just add in the carrots and the remainder of the stuff. So carrot, corns, and the bell peppers, and just leave it for another 5 to 7 minutes, and pretty much it's finished. So just wanna, while doing that, you know, combine everything so all of this flavor get into the corn as well. So pretty much should be finished. So after 7 minutes, after everything is fully combined, then our meal is ready. So I'll see you guys after 7 minutes when everything is ready, and you'll see the final result of our spicy prawns with veggies and corn. Yeah, so see you in a bit. All right, so finally after 10 minutes guys, this is the end result. So here we have it, the beautiful color. I mean, and the spice and the oh my, the flavor is kicking. Like literally, I can't wait to dive into this. So yeah, guys, as I promised, nothing too major today. A quick one-pot meal. I mean, if you want to go ahead and add other stuff to it, like, you know, some people like scallops and all, you can go ahead and add it. I mean, for me personally, I go for prawns, and this works pretty well. So yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. So thank you so much for making it Savage Jamaican Cuisine. It's always a pleasure having you guys walking into the process of how I do stuff my way here on this channel. So of course, appreciate the support. Of course, continue to like, subscribe. I mean, select the notification bell so once I post a video, you get notified. Whatever you do guys, stay savvy. Until the next video.